Welcome to Godzilla Place, and shout out to NC Kitty and Smiley Dragons. Boo, 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 boo. And today we will be reviewing the
SpaceGodzilla 94
SpaceGodzilla 94
and Godzilla 04,
which is
from
definitely
Super
Godzilla
Kaiju.
Final Wars.
Yeah.
So,
But it's from what brand?
It is Super 7 and Kaiju.
Super Kaiju.
Super Kaiju, and we're gonna even see what I'm gonna think about them and see
Whether or
how
not
good,
the value is good for
with the value good, yeah. And we'll see the back and the front and everything. So
All right.
get
which one you
your
wanna start?
popcorn and your snacks.
All right.
Get ready for a rough ride.
Which one you going to start with?
I'm gonna start with my favorite one right here. And
So 04?
you can see Destroy right here.
Yeah, we had that one the other day. We did a review on that one. You can go back on the channel and see that one.
Okay, so let's open it up by starting with the top. Ooh, this is a good opening. Start out with that. Now, let's take it out. It took me like 20 years to get all these. Let's see here. Now, got him. So we have to get him out of the packaging. Oh, I need scissors.
Let me pop.
Out this guy's body, not cut him.
Be gentle.
This is a really good figure. Okay. I think we got it. Hope we didn't get it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Okay.
Now this figure,
Show it to the camera.
this
Show it to the camera, Harvey.
Get it
this
out
is
of there.
Godzilla.
What's the coloration on it? How's it look on there?
Perfect. Just looks like the normal one from Godzilla Final Wars. This is the normal Final Wars.
Let me see it.
He can't open his mouth.
Yeah, he's opening
Yeah.
his mouth and closes his
Yeah.
mouth. Hang on a second. What else does it come with?
It comes with the building.
Hard to have one hand. There we go.
Building?
Oh, that's normal. It's only got the actuation at the tail,
Where's the
right here at the base of
Okay.
the tail.
Got the-
He's got his
We got the
legs,
building. Hold on.
Where's the other piece of it, Dad?
and there's a broken, broken building. So that way it looks like he's like destroying the building. You can see he's
I did.
stomping on it.
And did you hear my shout out? So, do Smile Dragons and NC Kitty.
I love it.
So,
That's NC Kitty. I love it.
so it actuates at the knees, and at the elbows, and at the shoulders. Does his head move? Yeah, his head
Yep.
moves side to side. Does it move up and down? No, no up and down.
And now,
Just that way there. That's all he does. So,
okay.
yeah.
Now, let's open up Space. So, Space is mostly one of my favorites in the Kaiju universe.
So guys, if you want to, start following and subscribing. The more you guys interact with the videos, the more money he'll end up making, and we can get better equipment and better lighting and all the stuff we need to do to make actual reviews, because he loves getting toys. It's just that these new collector's editions are quite expensive. So if y'all would like to like and subscribe and follow along with each video, because he's got several other ones on his channel there. Like, well, he's got one other, and he's going to have several others on the other toys that he has in his collection already. That way we can have more.
Space
But,
Godzilla.
yeah, it's SpaceGodzilla.
Space.
Oh wow, SpaceGodzilla is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Get the tail out.
Hold on. I'm getting him.
And the city.
You getting him posed?
He can even close his mouth. I thought he couldn't. Okay.
Yeah, he opens and closes his mouth.
Yep, that's sick.
Is it pretty easy to get out of the box?
Not really. It took me like 20 years to get this guy's tail off.
There we go.
No.
There's a building too, Harvey. There's
Here.
more buildings. Like this guy.
Hold the camera.
There's more buildings. There's a building.
Ow, that hurt. That hurts.
A little tough to get on there. There we go. So, this is it. He's got an actuation on his shoulder. He's got a little bit on his elbow right here. His elbow
They
moves.
go together. They go
His
together,
mouth
guys.
opens and closes.
Let me hold it.
And then the buildings, I guess if you get those two together,
You can
the
get
building
this.
comes together. I guess it's as a collection. And then if you want to, you can act like it's knocked over and kaboom, when he knocks the building over. So that's pretty dope. So yeah, that's pretty cool.
This is the these.
I didn't know
think
that would do that, but there you go.
The
You get your
prices
building.
are good. The
And
articulation.
the prices, yeah, so the articulation, he's testing all the articulation. It does the elbows, the shoulders.
Okay,
What about the head?
this-
Does the head move any?
Yeah, but
The head moves side to side just a tiny bit, right?
You can open his mouth.
Open his mouth a little bit. What about his feet and his legs? Does his feet move in individual spots?
Yes, but
It's a little bit tough to move, it looks like, but it's okay.
I don't really care about that.
I mean, guys, at the price point of these, it's not too terrible. I think they're pretty good toys. I wouldn't mind having a few more of these. What do you think, Harv?
I think this is a perfect figure for your collection. But it might not fit in your collection, but you can still buy them. They're still great figures, even if they don't fit in your collection, yes. And this is better than this one. This one's just a really...
So, this is his original SpaceGodzilla. I got this off of AliExpress.
it's pretty
It's
ugly.
pretty good. I mean, it's not bad. It's not terrible.
But
I
this
mean,
one...
for the quality of what I paid for it, I paid like, I think $8 back then. The tail, as you can see, broke off. It's very fragile. But at the same time, he was also pretty rough with it at the time. He was pretty young. I mean, it only literally actuates at the arms or at the shoulders. It doesn't actuate the actual pieces up here, the little shoulder blades. They don't move, but this one here, the shoulder blades do move with the arms, so you can see that. And
But we got destroyed in space.
his feet
Godzilla now.
move. His feet don't move at all. It's just literally at the waist right here. That's all in the actuation. He's got arms
And tail too. Don't
and
forget.
oh, his tail does actuate a little bit, yeah, but it doesn't do very
It's a
much.
really
But
bad
the Super Kaiju, that one does do really well. As far as the coloration, I do think that I like Super Kaiju better because, you know, I mean, this one looks like, I don't know, comparing them together, that's a terrible face now that I see the quality. Oof, that's rough. But yeah, I think the Super Kaiju is really good as far as value-wise for your money. So guys, if you're thinking about going out and getting some Godzillas, go to the Godzilla section at Target there, the little collectibles, there where the Pokemon cards and all that jazz is. And you guys can pick yourself up a Godzilla 04 and a Godzilla, or Space Godzilla, from their collector's editions from Super Kaiju. So, we'll sign out here, but go ahead and again, we got this guy here the other day. We got a video up on him. Go check him out.
They're all good together.
But they're all good together, yeah. So they are really nice. So we'll have a little video out for this guy soon. We'll have another video out for this guy. We'll have a little bit of Shimu. We'll go ahead and do Godzilla. What is this? -1? Is that -1, Harvey? -1. And we also have several others that we don't have out here. We have Kong from the.
And also, let me go get my other.
We also have several other ones that are really cool that we'll put in here and put videos up, and you guys can sit back, relax, and enjoy them. We also have this one here that we got. We found this one at a Peddler's Mall not too long ago, and it's super cool. That's a really cool Kong. Let us know down in the comments if you guys want us to do a review on this guy. This is a Kong from, what year was this thing?
NECA, and it's made from NECA and Real Toys.
NECA Toys or something like that. I don't know. We'll look at the box here in a little bit. I ain't got it on hand, but we'll do a review. If you guys want to see that on review, let us know, and we will put a review on that Kong figure, and you guys can go hunting for it wherever it's sold. But go ahead and sign out. What do you want to say?
Wahoo! See you later, fellas. Wahoo!